Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm doing a cozy bedroom makeover. I'm going to share some tips and tricks in how to make your bedroom cozy. I hope you enjoy. So first of all, I'm going to start decorating my fireplace in my bedroom. I love having a fireplace in my room, guys. It is so cozy. It is winter time here in Australia, and I love decorating the top of my mantle to give that cozy feel. Now, I shopped my own home here, guys. I had this always kiss me goodnight sign that I recently got from a garage sale. I did with that vintage print that I got from Etsy in my TK Maxx frame. And I absolutely love this topiary ball that I picked up from Early Settler. Now, also from Early Settler is this beautiful mirror. Now guys, I have a future video coming up where I show you how I used contact paper on the mirror to give that neutral look in the room. Now, on the opposite side of my room, I have this beautiful French provincial mirror that is also from Early Settler. It's my favourite mirror in my whole home, guys. It is stunning. I love my Kmart ottoman in the boucle fabric, so I'm going to place that to the side of the mirror. On top, I added some flowers from TK Maxx, as well as this textured little bowl that is from Kmart. I also added this cute "This Is Us" sign that I recently picked up from the reject shop. Now, my bedroom is always cozy, guys, because I bought in all my neutrals. I love using neutrals in my bedroom. I love my bedding. My bedding is from Adairs. I love the checkered print, and I've teamed it up with some neutral throws. As well as this adorable I Love Us cushion, which is from TK Maxx. Now, at the end of my bed, I always love to make a little tray vignette. I feel like it is such a cozy feel to a room. This beautiful tray is from 1825 Interiors. Now, I know it's too early for pumpkin season, guys, but we are on winter here in Australia, and I cannot wait to share my pumpkin decorating with you. So I bought out this adorable little white pumpkin, as well as these vintage books, also from 1825 Interiors.
Can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now, but somewhere I go and hide, looking for a new start.
Now, at the end of my bed, I have my beautiful tufted ottoman, and I always like to add a throw blanket at the bottom. Now, I'm going to team it up with a chunky knit throw. This one's from Amazon. Now, I'm just playing around with it here, guys. I always struggle to get my throw blankets to sit right. I eventually got it, and I teamed it up with a beautiful throw cushion in the antler print. I absolutely love this print, guys. If I could have it everywhere in my home, I would. Now, I feel like this room definitely has that cozy French provincial farmhouse feel about it, but I always bring in my glam, especially to go with my chandeliers.
Yes, somewhere I'll go run and hide, looking for a new start. Looking for a
So guys, I've mentioned before that it is winter time here in Australia, so it's definitely cozy season right now. But I do understand my overseas friends are in the middle of heat waves at the moment, so I'm definitely sending all my thoughts and prayers with you all, and I hope that it cools down very soon. I know also that you have been getting all the fall decor into the stores, so I'm hoping that my little video here will give you some inspiration when it comes to decorating for fall when fall comes around. Guys, I truly love the decorating side of the cozy season. I love sitting by the fire, I love having layers of blankets on me, and I truly love the beauty of that season. And I can't wait to share more cozy decorating videos with you very soon. As a YouTuber, we are always thinking ahead, guys, so we like to plan our videos so that they will come to you just prior to the season that you're decorating for. So I try to have videos in advance so that way I can catch up, especially guys that we are in winter and you guys are in summer. It makes it a little bit tricky for me, but I always plan it so it will all align. Leave me a comment down below if you like to also organise and plan ahead for a future season.
Closing in this fast, oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back while I'm on a one-way track. Now I know.
So guys, I apologise that this video is slightly late. I did have some internet uploading issues again this morning, but I managed to fix them. I would ask, if you don't mind, could you please tap your notification bells and select the word always? For some reason the algorithm ain't putting out my videos. I've had people send me messages thinking that I have stopped YouTube, and I've also had people send me messages saying that they're not getting notified. So if you'd like to see any more of my videos, please tap that notification bell and select the word always. That seems to help, as well as giving this video a very big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you to decorate cozy. Now guys, I'll be back next Sunday at 8:30 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time for another video here at Chelle's Glam Home. Until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.